Okay, so in this tutorial we will work on the duplicate values. There is already built-in rule available in the Excel, but in case of the Google Sheets there is no rule available for the duplicate values. So in that case, that how we can do the same thing in the Google Sheets. So that's the aim of this tutorial. Okay, then let's see how we can do that. So here I have some names, and in these names I don't know that either any name is a duplicate or not. So let me select whole thing, and after that we will go with the conditional formatting. Just right click here and go for the conditional formatting. By the way, if you want to know about the conditional formatting, how these conditional formatting work, and what is the complete tutorial for that one, so that you will get to know the each and every aspect of this, so I will share the link in the I button here and also in the description from where that you can check that tutorial as well. So let's move on with the topic. In the formatting rule, just go here, scroll it down and go to the custom formula. Here you will first write, we will take the formula countif, so is equal countif parenthesis start, and after that I need to provide the range on which range we are actually looking for. So in my case the range is the A column, so from A till A. And after that, what will be the criteria, that what will be the cell that will be the criteria. So in my case the first cell is the A3, that's this one, so that's the A3, and go here A3. And after that, when it will show the count here, for example, if we will have the count here, and that count should not be greater than 1. Why? Because if we will have the count greater than 1, it means that there is another value, that the same value that is available in this data, that is the duplicate value, so that is the 1. Okay, so that will be the done. So let's check this, that either this is the correct way to highlight the duplicates or not. So go first check, and you can see there is 2 values available here. And after that, let's consider another one. So that's also duplicate, that is also duplicates. Let's consider this one, if this is the duplicate here or not. So let's me copy, so there is no value other than that, so this is not the duplicate value. So let's copy this and check, yes, this is duplicate. And if we will copy this one, so this is not the duplicate. So this is the way that you can highlight the duplicates, the same feature that you enjoy with the MS Excel, the same feature that you can also enjoy with the Google Sheet. So that's it for today. If you have learned from this tutorial, please do like, and also don't forget to share your suggestions and also questions down below in the comment section. We will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care, good care, and keep watching 5-minute session.